Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're on page 13 of Best in Class. Probably a book that's not used too often anymore, but the curriculum to book 1 is sound. The curriculum to book 2 is a little too intense. And I think that's just because Bruce Pearson thought when you get into book 2, you're in your second year of band and you didn't have a whole summer off. But you're introducing 3/4, so instead of our usual 1, 2, 3, 4, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Locking in that waltz kind of style. Alright, and I checked before I started to play, no repeat sign. Unlike the next one, Blow the Man Down. And I feel this should be a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 1. Alright, and let's put that there. So this next one is the total is what counts. So in this case, the joke is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 all the way through. Alright, and I'm going to redo that one. So we have these ties. And the difference between a tie and slur with the curved line is that you don't use your tongue, and I just tongued those extra notes. So let's do it again the correct way. 1, 2. Alright, and that leads us into Autumn Leaves Are Falling. And I'm going to Alright, so we're looking at number 57 here, Autumn Leaves Are Falling. This is a duet, so I'm going to do part A and part B, and then I'll mix them together so you can hear the harmony. This is Best in Class, page 13 still. And I'm going at a tempo of 80. And I use the earpiece and the metronome on my phone because my tempo at those is not as stable as I would like it to be. So I try to be as exacting as I can with this. 3, 4. Oh, wait, that's wrong. Okay, there we go. Here's part A. 1, ready. This one, because that's not even working. And here's part B. 1, 2. 1, 2. Go back to this is go back to this is go back to this is something special for trombones only, and it looks like pretty much like a scale exercise. Right, and our last one on this page is called Rhythm Puzzle. It's in 3/4, but there are no bar lines in. So your exercise is to put them, take a pencil, write them in. By the way, I highly recommend not a regular pencil, but I do like the mechanical pencils. And I've spent quite a bit of money giving my kids mechanical pencils, which then they're able to click, right? Whatever they need to. If they need to put a sharp in front of a note or mark a position. My favorite one was one from a saxophone player who wrote FN, and I'm like, what is that? Thinking, like was that some profanity? And she's like, F natural. Like, oh,
Never mind. But here we go. Rhythm puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And I think I missed that one quarter note, so let's try that again. All right. And let's close that out. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.